Welcome everybody, thank you for joining me. We got a 5-minute ladder workout, okay? If you've never done a ladder workout, what you're gonna do is we got 5 minutes, we got 4 moves. You're gonna try and do as many sets as you can, but each set you increase by 1 rep. Alright, so we're gonna get it into a nice quick warm-up right here. Alright, so the 4 moves. We got ice skaters, we got front lunges, we got jumping jacks, and we got good mornings with the twist, okay? I will demonstrate each move ahead of time, alright, just so you know what you're doing. But again, this workout is to test you as much as you can, okay? It's to help you progress. It's gonna see how far you can go, okay? Every time you redo this workout, if you do it a couple times a week, you're building up those numbers, you're gonna get stronger. Alright, nice and easy. Step it on over, side lunges. Alright, warming up that body, getting the blood flowing, get that breathing going. Back is nice and tall, core engaged, side to side here. Just stretching out those legs, okay? A little bit dynamic stretching here. Nice job, everybody. Alright, we're gonna get started in 10 seconds, okay? 10 seconds, and then I'm gonna demonstrate the moves, and then you're gonna go right into it, okay? Alright, here we go. First move is gonna be an ice skate. You're stepping left foot back, one arm comes down, other side, okay? So that's 1 rep. Stepping it forward, front lunge, each side, that's 1 rep. Jumping jacks, 1. And good mornings, feet shoulder width apart, hinge over, back is flat, come back up, twist, twist. Second set, add 1 rep, okay? So we got 1, 1, 2, 2, all right? Step it forward, 1, 1, 2, 2, all right, and then we get 2 jumping jacks, all right? You guys got the hang of it now? All right, nice and easy, good mornings. Got 2 of those. Adding in that elbow to knee, each side. Here we go, okay? So remember to keep track of how many you're doing. All right, how many reps, because I want to know in the comments below. When you're done with this workout, I want you to finish. I want you to keep it going, do what you can, all right? Nice job. Again, if you ever need a breather, you can take it. All right, that's up to you. All right, but I want you to finish strong. I want you to complete the 5 minutes that we got together here, okay? All right. Keep breathing. We got 3.5 minutes to go, okay? I'm on 4 reps here. Remember those lunges, okay? Remember we're getting those knees bent, back is nice and tall, keeping that front knee as far back or behind the toes as much as you can, okay? Jumping jacks. Good mornings. Keep it counting, all right? It's up to you, all right? You don't have to keep up with me. If you're going harder, you're going faster than I am, go for it, okay? That's your workout in the end, okay? 5 for me. Keep breathing, keep it working. Just doing what you can, okay? That's all I ask, that's all you're asking of yourself. All right, it's a mental game as well, okay? You're not just challenging yourself physically, challenging yourself mentally. Great job, everybody. Nice work, keep it going. Close to 2 minutes here. Keep pushing that body. You got it. Keep breathing, keep working. Challenge that body, challenge that mind. See how far you can get. See if you can last the whole 5 minutes. See how many times you can go into it. I'm on 6. It's going, it's burning. You guys got this. Great job, everyone. Stay strong, all right? We got a little bit over 1 minute here. Again, challenging yourselves. It's you competing with you, all right? Great job. Keep that back flat. Do not lose that form here, okay? Anytime you're losing that form, slow it down a little bit, okay? Again, it's always about controlling the body, controlling the breathing. Come on, 7. Where are you at? You guys got this. Nice job, everyone. Got 23 seconds. Stay strong. Keep it going. Finish. Push through the whole round. Here we go, here we go. 10 more seconds. And time. Great job, everybody. Again, this workout was for you, okay? It's for you to test your progress, all right? Again, do this workout a few days from now. See what numbers you get, okay? Hopefully you increase. If you don't, keep it going. Repeat again in the next few days. Again, it's all about your numbers, okay? It's all about testing your progress, building that strength, doing what you can. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Great job, everybody. Again, if you need a little bit more cool down, a little bit more stretching, check out my post-workout videos. I'll link them in the description below. But if you need to, great job today. All right, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you guys next time.